Good day everybody and welcome back to another Amazon PPC newsflash. In today's headlines we have hugely exciting news coming from arguably the biggest Amazon software out there, Jungle Scout, who has bought arguably one of the top free Amazon PPC tools, Downstream. So for those of you that don't know Downstream, they might not yet be the best known Amazon PPC tool out there. However, if you saw one of my previous Amazon PPC tool overviews, then you will know they are certainly one of the top tools out there because they offer a ton of features. I'm not going to show these features to you today because I am still in the process of researching all of these tools from scratch for my next upcoming video. But in the previous videos, you will definitely be able to see how Downstream offers a ton of features, valuable automation features especially, and reporting features. So this is a fantastic acquisition and one can only dream of all the things that are to come from Downstream with the backing of a well-financed Jungle Scout. Of course, in their same announcement, Jungle Scout say they have now raised another 110 million in capital. So really you can expect a lot from Downstream in the coming months, and it is hugely exciting to have another huge player in this scene. Although I should say, again, Downstream quality-wise was of course already a huge player, but as you can see by the numbers, at least from July 2020, they were not really known back then. But that will surely change now, and just to show you quickly how big Jungle Scout really is, let's just have a look at these social numbers, at least from July 2020, by sorting this column here. Right, okay, so you have Jungle Scout being more than 150,000 likes ahead of the second best known tool. Although I think that distance might not be as big in the next overview. That's something I'll be very excited to show you once that video comes out. But for now, just to show you what kind of backing Downstream now has got. And frankly, this is just huge for them, but also huge for Jungle Scout because they really got themselves one of the very best tools. And just to mention another hugely exciting related news, Jungle Scout of course also bought Cobalt recently, a market intelligence tool with which they apparently process more than 1 billion data points every day. And so clearly you can see where the journey is going. Data is the name of the game. The more data these tools, especially Amazon advertising tools and machine learning tools especially, have at their disposal, the better they will become at actually managing your ads, far better than any human ever could, of course, because that is just data that no human could analyze, let alone in one day. So frankly, hugely exciting news all around, and I would of course expect to see that to impact Downstream, not immediately, but down the road in terms of features, in terms of data they can consider for their PPC automation. These are currently some of the features I am researching in all of these Amazon PPC tools. So considering external data such as competitor data, price, reviews, Prime, and some other things that might come up. So really, really exciting news. I cannot stress it enough, and I'm really looking forward to what Downstream will evolve into. There's not a lot of space going upwards already. They are already a top tool, but now really there is just so much more to expect from them, and I'll be very excited to see what comes from them in the coming years. Alright, and that is it for today's news. Congratulations to Downstream, and congratulations of course to Jungle Scout. It very much seems to be a big win-win situation for both parties. I'll leave you a link down below so you can check them out. Thanks a lot for watching and have a great rest of the day.